Thank you for taking a tour of this wonderful property. When you are done, call me to discuss an offer. 352-559-9257. Welcome to Oakview. Walking distance to downtown Newberry, Newberry Elementary, Oakview Middle, and Newberry High School. This home sits on a corner lot with the only side-attached garage in the neighborhood. The open floor plan provides a great space for entertaining and family time. Built in 2017, this home requires no updating for cosmetics or mechanical systems. Imagine having no more cable or internet worries, as this home is serviced AT&T fiber optic.